Hey guys, it's Rayanne with Shaka Designs here with another quick tutorial. I get a lot of questions about the Wix blog and how to edit a single page post. Basically, when you have edited your blog and you have set up all of the design elements that you want, when you look at a blog post that you've created, a lot of times you'll see that the design of that post is different than the design of what you set up. And there's a reason for that. So before I get started, I'm going to let you know that I am actually on the old blog, and I will actually link to an article from Wix here below the video to kind of direct you so that you know if you're on the old blog or the new blog. So one quick note, I am on the old blog. With the old blog, you can edit the single page post design. With the new blog, you cannot. So know that ahead of time. So first things first, over here on the left hand side, I'm going to navigate over to my blog, and I'm going to click on that icon. And then right here under blog pages, I'm going to click on single post. Single post, you want to edit the design of what this looks like. Basically, anytime you post a blog post, this is what that page will actually look like. So make sure that you edit the design of this page. What confuses people is I'm going to go back to my actual blog page. So a lot of times you'll spend time, editing the look and feel of this page. This is like your entire blog feed. And whatever design changes you put here, they don't reflect on that single post. So they will have completely different design setups that you can do. So again, you just want to make sure that you go to my blog right here, blog pages, and single post, and you can edit the way that an actual blog post will look when somebody clicks on it and opens it up. So I'm also going to show you right now a quick article from Wix, and again, I'll link to this at the bottom of the video. But basically, this is how you differentiate between the old blog and the new blog. So they look a bit different. The new blog looks like this. The old blog looks like this. The easier way I feel like to tell is through your editor. And so what you can do is basically these icons on the side right here. This icon is the new blog right here, this little pen icon. And then this icon down here is the old blog, just as you've seen on my website. I am on the old blog, so I have this icon right here. They also have some instructions down here for using the new blog and the previous blog. These articles are very exhaustive, so if you have specific blog questions for your old or new blog, visit that first, and I hope that this helped you guys.